Now I love breakfast and I love smash burgers, so I decided to mash them together and make a breakfast smash burger. Crispy pork sausage, American cheese, a yummy drippy egg, some candied bacon, and a maple bourbon sauce that ties it all together. Stick around to see how we make this one. First up, let's turn on this griddle. I want this running at about medium heat. I want it warm enough that I can get a crust on my sausage patties, but not so hot that I over toast my buns or burn anything. I usually give my griddle a good 7 to 10 minutes to preheat. I really want the entire griddle surface to be warmed all the way through. That way you're not dealing with spots of hot and spots of cool. Next up, let's prep our ingredients. If I were to give you one barbecue pro tip, when you're cooking on a griddle, it is to prep all of your ingredients in advance. When you're cooking on a griddle, everything moves so fast. Within 5 to 7 minutes, every aspect of this meal will be finished. So having everything ready to go beforehand is gonna save me a ton of stress. I've got some brioche buns, like a burger bun, but really buttery and rich. American cheese, because I think every good breakfast burger needs American cheese. A few eggs, we're gonna season those with my beef rub. I've got some bacon cut in half. That's gonna get candied on the griddle with my sweet rub. Some spicy pork sausage. You don't have to use spicy, you could use regular or even maple here if you wanted a little bit sweeter, but the heat with the sweet and everything else going on, so good. Next up, we're making a burger sauce. Typically, I do this with a barbecue sauce mayo pickle. We're leaning sweet today. We're gonna be using my maple bourbon sauce, amazing on anything breakfast, mixed with simple mayonnaise. I've got some fat to keep everything lubricated on the griddle top, and then a couple tools to keep things moving. Every time I'm doing smash burgers, I prep some individual pieces of parchment to go with my burger press so that I can get those squished on the griddle and crisping really quickly. Last tip are these little quarter sheet pans. You can buy them in sets of 4 at like a restaurant supply store, order them online, but you will use them all of the time. I've got ingredients on here. When I pull stuff off the griddle, I want some clean trays ready to move everything onto. I'm gonna take my sausage, divide it into 6 equal pieces. This is gonna make 3 third-pound burgers. And I'm gonna make my breakfast burger sauce, equal parts mayo and the maple bourbon. Breakfast burger sauce is ready. Patties are formed. Let's griddle. First up, let's get some oil on our griddle. Then we're gonna go in with our meats. Bacon first. This is one of my favorite sounds in the whole world. It's barbecue ASMR. Amazing. Next up, we're going in with our pork patties. Give yourself enough space on the grill that when you smash them flat, they don't run into each other. Pork patties are a lot stickier than beef patties, so I take my parchment, give it a little spritz with my cooking oil, and it'll help it peel off a lot easier from the squished patty. Ta-da! This is one of the best sounds in the whole world. You ready? I'm gonna hit my bacon with a little bit of sweet rub so it'll start to candy and caramelize and start flipping. Next up, eggs and buns. Hit the eggs with a little bit of beef rub. It's garlicky, salty, peppery, savory. One of my favorite seasonings for eggs. It truly acts as an all-purpose, and you can use it for every meal. Beef rub, it's the best. Time to flip our patties. Oh yeah. Add our American cheese. And toast our burger buns. Bacon's ready to come off. Everything is cooked. That took less than 5 minutes, I think. I just turned my griddle off, but I'll be able to clean it while it's still warm. Now it's time to assemble our beautiful breakfast smash burgers. I'm so excited to eat this, I might die. I skipped breakfast today for this burger. Look at the crispy edges on these super thin pork patties and like those lacy edges of cheese. A couple pieces of that crispy sweet rub candied bacon. I did do thick cut here because I like it to have a little bit of chew. But if you want it extra crispy, you could do that thin cut bacon. It would be so good. Our beautiful fried egg with a nice jammy runny yolk in the middle. Now this is where the flavor magic happens because this is delicious, right? But we top it with this creamy maple bourbon sauce and it takes it instantly to breakfast. Even though we're on a burger bun, even though we've got that kind of patty cheese burger situation, this is what makes this a breakfast burger. A little bit sweet, a little bit savory, rich, creamy, and just tangy enough to offset all of the fatty deliciousness that is going on in this burger. I wish you were here in my backyard right now. I would love to give you a bite. You know what time it is? It's taste test time. Do you know what that means? It's time for taste test Todd. Oh my gosh. Look at that yolk dripping.
Taste test Todd reporting for duty.
I'm so excited for you to eat this. You missed these when I made it the first time.
Maple bourbon? Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. That's magical.
It's really hard for me to not just keep eating this right now, but I am gonna tell you, you can find this recipe and hundreds of others on HeyGrillHey.com. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're bringing amazing backyard barbecue and grilling recipes just like this to our YouTube channel every single week. We would love to have you hang out with us in our backyard and become a backyard barbecue hero at your own house.
Just like me.
Just like Todd. Oh, also, next week's video, smoke fried deviled eggs. What? You don't want to miss it. That's one of my favorite things I've ever made. So I love a smash burger. That's nice. Oh shoot! I dropped that one. Poor egg, it didn't deserve that.